Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back again to my platform. How you guys doing this morning? Hope you guys are fine and keeping safe as well. So if you are coming across this channel for the very first time, my name is Ace. I'm a mommy vlogger. I base in Italy and I will bring you content from this other side of the world, okay? Or boss all the gifts which I receive for Christmas. Yeah. So if this is the type of video that you like to watch, please keep on watching. Don't go away. I'll be right back. Welcome back, guys. So really received gifts for Christmas for long, but this year was just different for me. Thank God that all you guys come through for me this year. So first of all, before I will start the gist, I would like to show you guys the gift which I received this Christmas. First and foremost, I have a lot here, and also I something that I ordered something for myself for the Christmas as well. No, you have to buy something for yourself. So one arrived before New Year, and the other ones just arrived this morning. I will show you guys as well. So first and foremost, let me show you this gorgeousness. This beautiful shoe. Look at this shoe. I love this shoe. So this is the shoe, and I so much love this shoe. I've been wanting this shoe for long, and she got it for me. I'm so happy. Thank you, sis, for coming through for me. So this is the first gift I received this year. One is from one of my friends. Wow, thank you, babe, for this gift. I so much love this shoe. I don't know if I did not know I would be receiving more shoe, so I went to order some for myself too. I will show you guys. So this is the one my friend got for me. It's like they come in this carton, so I've thrown away this second. So it's this, guys, it's this gorgeous name. This beautiful shoe. Just look at this shoe. This gorgeous shoe. Look at I just love this shoe already. This green, look at that. Just look at it. So this shoe is really beautiful. So I can just imagine myself inside this shoe doing all those shakara. So look at both of them is here like this. Thank you, babe. I appreciate you for this Christmas, for all you got for me. You know yourself. Even though I did not mention your name, you know who you are. Okay, thank you very much. God bless you. I so much appreciate this wonderful gift. Next one is this pack. This came like this. Look at this. It's a pack of soap and body wash and body oil or so. So let me just open it. Wow, inside is like this. Look at this. Look at this. This was gifted to me by one of my friends as well. Wow, thank you, babe. I so much appreciate this. So we went shopping during the Christmas, and I saw this. I said, I love this thing. No, she said even she loved it. So this is a body. Okay, this is a body spray. Look at it. Body spray. Yeah. Perfume, aromatico perfume. Okay, it's a perfume. You can put it as body spray. You can still wear it as a perfume. Very nice. And this one, this big one. What is this? This big one is a banyo creamer. Wow, this is shower gel. Yes, this is shower gel, shower cream, just like soap. Wow. And let me see this scent. It's not opening. It's going. This smells so good. Let me look. What's on there? So this is from one of my friends. Thank you, babe. I appreciate you. I never thought you would think of me this way, but thank you very much. I so much appreciate all the effort you put in buying this gift for me. Thank you. Okay, the next one is this very one from Italy. Okay, let me remove this. Wow, the pack is like this. It's really fine. Look at it. Very, very beautiful. Look at beautiful bag. Oh my god. So let me remove it. It's like this after opening it. It's like this. Look at this. So let's see. What is it? Wow. Oh my goodness. This is gorgeous. It's a pair of pajamas. Oh my god. Look at how soft and this material is. Oh, thank you, babe. Thank you. Love it. Love you. Love you. Love you. This is a complete pajama from Itimissimi. So one of my friends got it for me as well. So I love it. I love it. Thank you. For this cold weather, this pajama is just it for me. Okay, thank you. I appreciate. I never expected this, but it come through for me. Thank you, guys. So as I've said before, I ordered 2 pairs of shoes this Christmas. This one just arrived. Yes, this one just arrived from Speed. Yes, it's called Speed. The place I ordered it from is called Speed. I found it on Instagram and I saw this shoe. I said, oh, look at this shoe, it's so fine. So I ordered it. I was expecting it before Christmas, but I ordered 2. One came before Christmas. Let me show you the one that came before Christmas. This gorgeousness. This one came before Christmas. It's like this. Yes. This one came before Christmas. And I love it. So I never get to wear it to church on Christmas Day, because on Christmas Day I did not go to church. I was busy cooking here. So I believe I'll be rocking this. This one came before Christmas. So let me open this one that just arrived today and see what is inside. I'm opening it, guys. Wow, this shoe. So it's wow. Oh, look at this. I love this triangle look on the front. That is what attracts me from the ordering the shoe, and it's a rope shoe like this. You know, see, just look at this shoe, guys. It's just so fine. So this is what I ordered for myself, and these very ones, both of them I bought for myself for this new year. So this Christmas and New Year, I said, okay, I need to have 2 pairs of shoes, and I granted that wish for myself. So look at this. This is so fine, and I love it. And the other one is here. I love it. So I'll be rocking these shoes. Okay, these are the items. Which is there any other one? No. So these are the items which I received this Christmas and New Year, and the one I bought for myself as well. So what I want to say and what I want to talk about is that, guys, the way you treat babe, if you need a lady to be your woman, be there for her. Please be there for her. You know, sometimes I wonder if the things most guys did so young ladies, if they actually do it to their own sister, they will be very angry, because you can't take me as if I'm nobody to you, and you expect me to take you that you are somebody to me. You treat me like trash. You don't care. It's only when you want something from me you remember to call me. Guys, this is not fair. Let's be sincere. I'm a lady, not that I'm supporting lady. No, I just want to spill the truth. I just want to spill it out. Yes, maybe some of my brothers may be watching this video. Some of my friends may be watching, but I want you to know this video was made because of the experience I've been seeing from some guys and some things that they have been doing to ladies. This is not fair. Change from it. If you want to be important, in a lady's life, make her important first. No women. Women are moved by what they do. Make her important. She will make you our priority. Believe it or leave it. You don't make a lady important. You just begin to tell everyone she's not your babe. Then when you need something from her, you want to get down with her, you remember to call her. But this is not fair. This is 2023. Young ladies, if a man does not take you important, don't count them as your girlfriend, your boyfriend. Just count them as your someone is a friend. The way he takes you, you take them like that. Anybody who tell you say you are important is also important to you. This is a word for me. Yes. How can you be telling the lady, this you are on this part you are saying different thing, you are on another part you are saying different thing, but when you go to the lady you say different thing as well. Guys, let's be sincere. This is not fair. Change from it, okay? I believe this will be the end of this video. If you enjoy watching, please don't hesitate to give me a big thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel, okay? Bye guys.